interesting.
Let's look at 3 drivers who got instant karma for doing stupid things. Starting with this first driver in the white Hyundai that decided to pass a school bus. And the extra stupid thing about this is the driver would have had to only wait like 5 seconds. I hope those extra few seconds were worth that several $100 fine. In this next video, we have a road raging guy that got out of his car in the middle of traffic. He approached the pickup truck driver and started slapping and banging on the pickup truck before opening the door and trying to get the guy to come out and fight. But that's not happening.
Oh, perfect timing.
Definitely perfect timing. And the funny thing is, the guy didn't even see the cop at first until the cop yelled at him to get on the ground and to put his hands behind his back. And the guy just gets arrested right in the middle of the street. Now that's some funny instant karma. Now that was funny to see. Hopefully the guy learned his lesson. But here's the funniest instant karma video out of them all. Here we have an angry Jeep driver that brake checks and harasses the Dashcam driver. I don't know what he was so angry about, but he brake checks for quite a while actually. The Dashcam driver switches lanes and so does the Jeep. The Dashcam driver does nothing to engage or provoke him, so I can't even understand why he's so angry to begin with. But the Jeep driver keeps on brake checking, but it's about time for him to get some instant karma now. It turns out that a cop had seen everything and pulled him over. I bet the Jeep driver was so angry.
2, neither of which is active on its own, which only work when they're combined together.
Oh, car accident!
Look. He's getting out.
You're good at this.
Yeah. Where's old Billy? So?
And? He didn't hit you? Just annoy you, that's all.
No, they'll tell it to get in his car.
Unlucky.
And there's another one over there, look.
Very unlucky.
Ah, you suck. Oh, ran the red in front of a cop. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Go get him! Yes! Get off my ass, thank you. Yep. I hope you're not too... Did you just run the red? You just ran the red. Oh, God. Got him.
Fucking behavior there, huh?
Oh, you're in trouble. Fucking nerd.
get caught. The BMW. Yep. KA bin going off strong. Yeah, there he goes. It's done. Yep. Oh my god, that was awesome.
Low premiums, deductibles, and copays. Better yet, and I can get help paying for it so much better. For health coverage that keeps my budget healthy, it's and better. No contest.
And better from coordinated care, affordable coverage, valuable benefits. Now that's better. Visit betteriswa.com or call Coordinated Care Corporation's qualified health plan insurer in Washington Health Benefit Exchange. Insurance. Providing more access to healthcare and nutritious food in communities of color has never been more essential. That's why Bank of America is investing $1 billion to advance racial equality and the well-being of our neighbors. I'm Carrie Schroeder, Seattle Market President for Bank of America. We're partnering with Fair Start to get more healthy food to those in need. It's just one way my teammates and I are taking action in Seattle right now. Bank of America and a member FDIC, equal credit opportunity lender. How
Fucker!
Our low for the evening will be 73 degrees with a 20% chance of rain. The time now is 5 o'clock. This is 90.1 WABE.
The kind of sanctions we can impose, I would not say they're pinpricks, but they do not compare in any way with the intensity of the actions that China could take.
Former Defense Secretary William Perry on the options open to Washington in dealing with North Korea.
For Wednesday, July 5th, it's All Things Considered from NPR News.
I'm Robert Siegel.
And I'm Kelly McEvers. Also this hour, are politicians ducking the voters during this year's 4th of July break?
Also, what was behind the late playwright Edward Albee's request to destroy whatever unpublished work he left behind?
It's kind of a way of shutting us out of Edward's creative process, which, by the way, he wanted to shut it out of his creative process.
And the diplomatic crisis over Qatar continues. 4 Arab states accuse the natural gas-rich state of supporting terrorism.
It is slightly disingenuous to single Qatar out as a party that supports destabilizing groups.
Now.
from the good Lord above. And you know how I know? Ice can only exist in heaven, my friend. It can't exist in hell.
But well, that's why the phrase hell freezes over. But tell me about it, because Willie O'Ree, I believe, was the first black NHL player.
That's right. That's right. Not only was he the first black NHL player, but he did it with so many obstacles, not just the cultural obstacles of his time, that he was breaking racial barriers, etc. But Willie O'Ree grew up as an athlete who actually lost eyesight in one of his eyes and managed to continue through the amateur and then ultimately reach.
And I will say, I grew up playing hockey. I played all the way to D3, a D3 college, before I transferred to the University of Florida. So hockey is in my heart. It's in my blood. I still have my Letterman jacket. So I think that's really awesome that you guys did that. All right, I got to leave it there and take my break. Representative Tom Emmer, thank you so much for joining us.
Take care, Andrew. 46 days.
46 days, you're right. Sirius XM Patriot.
Cute animal videos can only get you by for so long.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Enter Happy Radio.
I just wanna make you happy, baby.
Songs guaranteed to make you smile from the biggest names in music. Welcome to your new happy place. Happy Radio, now through the end of September on Channel 14 and always on the SXM app, free with all trials and popular plans.